In the heart of Johannesburg, South Africa's biggest city, a high-stakes operation is unfolding. A notorious crime boss is set to make a daring escape. Intelligence suggests that the escape will happen at 12 o'clock sharp. The crime boss is one of the most wanted men in the country. At exactly 12 o'clock, a black Renault is seen passing through the police gate. Was this the getaway car? So guys, the first thing you gotta do is just to go straight on your WhatsApp. Then from your WhatsApp, go straight to Meta AI. Then you just screenshot the picture of Fern or any scene that you like. They'll go straight to WhatsApp. Then tell WhatsApp to create a scene similar like that and explain it how you want it to be. So I just screenshot. Then this is what I said. I want a guy like running away from the prison. And it gave me like this. This is a picture straight from Meta AI from WhatsApp. But I believe you can also do it straight here on Meta on desktop. Then from here, just write Meta AI. Then you just go to create a video there. Then you just write create a video of this human running chased by dogs. So you can be detailed as much as you can, because if you're not detailed, it will just create something basic and it will be very it won't be good. Just look on what I created. It's not good, but it has a lot of potential. You see other dog just come out of the fence. You can see there's no gate. It goes straight to the fence and the person is chased by the dog, and the dogs are not even biting him. But okay, we got an idea of how to actually do it. So Meta AI is free, it's open source, so it will have its limitation, but as you just need to be detailed in your prompt. Then after that, you just write as many videos as you want. So this is the video that I said I want. Firstly, it just did this video, and those are the 4 videos I actually requested from Meta. Is this video, those people together discussing whatever. Then the picture, the top view, I think the reference of this one, I take it from Jack Trend. I took it from Jack Trend, the reference of that one. Just go to the 3D, just screenshot there. After then you screenshot, put it on Meta, tell Meta to create something similar like that. Then I told it like just to put a car to not like looked exactly like Jack Trend's one. So I told it like to just put a car passing by. Then that will be like the major difference. Then after that, just make sure like you detail as much as you can. Then you just make sure like you have a great voiceover. Then you just put all those clips on top here just to complement what you want. Then you can even make it a little bit interesting. So when like they talk around here, when they are discussing like the escape plan, maybe here you can put a little bit of a background noise where like the people on the prison cell, they are talking or something like that. Then finally you'll get like the video that I show you, or you'll get the video just like this. In the heart of Johannesburg, South Africa's biggest city, a high-stakes operation is unfolding. A notorious crime boss is set to make a daring escape. Intelligence suggests that the escape will happen at 12 o'clock sharp. The crime boss is one of the most wanted men in the country. At exactly 12 o'clock, a black Renault is seen passing through the police gate. Was this the getaway car? Thank you so much guys for watching. It really means a lot. I hope to see you on the next one. If you want me guys to go deep on how I did it step by step, making sure I explain all those parts precisely, can you please just leave a comment and say step by step? If I get at least 2 comments saying the same thing, then I'll go deep. One advantage about this is that whatever that we did it for free, 100% free. We didn't have to pay VO3, we didn't have to pay Kling 2, we didn't have to pay anything. We just did it for free. So thank you so much guys. Hope to see you on the next one. Please do leave me a comment so that I can go deep on this one. Bless.